You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window. If you call me, you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Think I might always be so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah. Yes. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support you. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil you.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are an ew. It's your Grinch in the building. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all. Do you see me? I'm looking real in season, okay? Because at first I said festive, and my husband was like, you ain't going to no festival. So your girl is in season, but I'm also burning up. You know, it's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. I'm going to take this turtleneck off. Come on, Chanel. So today's video is sponsored by Shanise Nicole. Yes! Did you clap? Go ahead, clap. If you're not following me on Instagram already at Shanise Nicole _, the direct link to my page will be listed down below in the description box, as well to other things about me and all the information, things that I use on my wig, old videos, new videos. Just go check out the description. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Spirit fingers. Yes, I'm looking like a Christmas tree with a side of caramel macchiato. The wig that I'm wearing today is by Outre or Outre, however you prefer to say it. It is a part of the Perfect Hairline collection, fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. You can do a center part, left part, or a right part. It does come with the fake scalp, and as y'all saw, I cut it out. Transparent HD lace. It's not. And this wig is heat resistant safe up to 400 degrees. Y'all, I don't know how to say this wig name. I have this wig in the style Jaylani. Who knows? Whatever. In the color DR4 Creamy Mocha. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. And I'm just gonna be honest. The first con I would have to say about this wig, y'all, is the tangling. This hair tangles so freaking bad. And if I was cool with my editing, I would put that up on the screen. This hair tangles so freaking bad. It's just, it tangles so bad, y'all. It does shed just a little bit, but the tangling is out of this world. It gets matted at the nape, and I don't know if it's because of the color, but it's a tangler. She's beautiful, but you're gonna have to brush her out every 5 minutes. Normally when I like a wig a lot, the tangling don't bother me, but this tangling bothers me because it's like when you move, like you can see right up in here, this wig, look at that. And I don't know if it's because of the hair texture, but this ain't it. Another con I would have to say about this wig is the hair texture. I really don't care for it. It does feel like that Barbie doll hair that I used to play with back in the day. And it's just not good. So those are the only two cons that I have for you guys. So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I'm gonna have to say about this wig is the color. This color is the bomb.com. This color is so perfect. From the dark brown roots into this different shades of blondes and browns. It's just so beautiful, so perfect. Great job on the color Outre, whatever y'all prefer to call it. Another pro about this wig is the hairline. Normally the perfect hairline is too perfect for me, but I feel like this one is just right. I feel like with the perfect hairline collection, the wigs are really hit and miss. But this one is just right. It looks really good. I do appreciate this nice hairline. The lace may not be HD, but it blended down to my skin real well. And we serving scalp in these holiday streets. The last pro I would have to say about this wig is the style. I love that it comes with layers. I think it's just a beautiful wig. You can rock it as a middle part. You can do an updo. You can do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Just watch my shoes. Dance with your boo, but watch my shoes. As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig was too small for your girl. I do have on my wig grip, and I decided to spray the wig down in the front to keep it from sliding back. Even though it's small, it is really big around the ear tab, so you will have to go in and cut off extra lace. I did not list that as a con because everybody's hair size ain't mine. But overall, I think this is a very beautiful wig. Would I buy this wig again? Hell no. Hell no. And I'm upset because it looks so beautiful. Like, so really beautiful. But you know, it's really hit or miss with these wigs. You never know what you're gonna get, because life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Period. Yes, come on, Forrest Gump. I did purchase this wig off of Elevated Styles. I'll leave a direct link down below in the description box, but you already know the drill. Shop where your heart desires, boo-boo. I know it's the holiday season and everybody's in the Christmas spirit, but y'all, I'm a Grinch if we're gonna keep it real with one another. Just call me Grinch, y'all. And I see everyone has a holiday cheer and everyone has a holiday music. Y'all, I'ma sing my music, okay? Let's kick a song right now. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, hey, had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, hey, you would even say it glowed. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Alright, I'm out, y'all. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
So you just need to look out your window.